1 less a less 10, and n is an integer. The density of air at 27 Celsius and 1 atm pressure. Ele quer saber a densidade. He wants to know the density of air. Okay, but we need equation, I think. No. We don't need the equation. What we need to do is only change this number to this form. Just it. Okay?
Okay.
It's so easy. We cannot do any equation with this. This is não serve para nada. Okay? Just it. So we need to do the same thing we did in the anterior, in the previous class. Okay? It only pass the dot. Just it. Okay? So our dots here. So I will put here. So I pass 3 houses. Okay? Only 3 houses. I pass 3 houses for right. So I can write this times 10 to the power of minus 3, because I walk 3 houses to the right. Right is minus. Okay? You can understand this in another way. For example, we have a little number here. A really little number. This number is less than 1.61. So what I do, I need diminuir. Decrease, exatamente. Decrease the number with this. You need to remember, this is like a divided. It's like a division. It's like a division. This is equal. You do this. The same thing. Equals divided by 1000. It's the same thing. So if you take this number and divide it by 1000, your number will be real little. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay? You just need count the houses. The houses you walk. Okay? 3. It's very easy. Very, very easy. Let me see another question. Let me see. We have a table. Just a second. The table below shows the population of different regions in 1985 and 2005. Blah, blah, blah. The population of the entire world, China, India, United States, Bulgaria. Determine the ratio of the population of the entire world to that of China in 2005. Giving your answer to the nearest integer. We want an integer. Okay. The nearest integer. So it asks for the ratio. Ratio is a division. Okay? So I need to take the China population in 2005 is this, okay? I think is 10 to the power of, I cannot see, but I think it's 90. I'm right? Okay. Thanks. 9 entire word in the same epoch is this. Okay. Is a ratio, so you can divide the things. For example, this and this. You cut. Your unique problem is the order of things, because they want an integer. If you will divided 1.3 by 6.4, you will not have an integer, because 1.3 is less than 6.4, right? So you can change, I think. If you change this, will be the same. So, colocar aqui or, I will put here or this. Okay, so you can have an integer now. I don't like do divisions with dots. So, points. Points is better in math. Points. So we can times 10 up and down. And now we can do the division. Okay? You can use your calculator. So can you say me the answer, please?
4.92.
Sorry?
4.92.
This? Okay. Well, they ask us to the nearest integer. Which is the nearest integer?
Como assim?
Qual seria o inteiro mais próximo de 4.92?
5.
Yeah. 5. Just like that. Find the increase in the world population between these 2 years. Do you know what you need to do in this question?
Do one minus the other?
Yeah, just it. Perfect. And you know how to do it?
I get the population of the entire world in 1985 minus the one in 2005.
Yeah, but these numbers have scientific notations. What will you do with the notations? Did you know? Do you know?
I don't know.
It's easy. It's very easy. Pay attention. Imagine if you have, for example, €1 plus €2. The answer is obviously €3, right? If you have 1 star, I don't know, plus 5 stars, you have 6 stars. Okay. Now, if you have, for example, I don't know, 2 plus 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 3. You just need the numbers. Just numbers, not the scientific notations. Like here, you don't sum the euros. You don't sum the stars. You sum the numbers, right? Here, the same thing. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay?
Okay.
It's easy. So in this case, you need minus only these numbers. Okay? So you know, do it. The answer will be 1.5 times 10 to the power of 9, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's easy to you, I know. So, can you do to me the C question?
Uh,
Pay attention to the significant figures, okay?
mhm. I think I'm doing wrong.
Oh, can you send me a photo?
No, I was doing in the calculator wrong. I
The
think.
calculator is wrong. Okay, what you do?
I did the population of 2005 minus the population of 1985.
Well, but I asked you to do for me the C question, not the B question.
Então, sim.
Mas em si, but in C, I think they don't ask for it. Calculate the percentage change in the population of each of the four countries. Each of the four countries. You need calculate each of the four countries, not the entire world.
Então,
Okay.
that's what I was doing.
Okay. So you do this. But they ask for the percentage. Did you do a percentage?
No, I
No?
forgot how to do.
Oh, okay. Calculate the percentage change. How can I calculate a percentage change? Do you
I
know?
don't know.
Uh, uh, we saw some equations in the another class. Okay. The percentage change, I don't know too, but I think its difference is the new value minus the ancient value. The old value. Ancient é outra coisa. Change is um, this difference divided by the old value. Okay?
Ah,
So
okay.
you do the minus, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the only thing we need to do is divided by the old value.
Okay. Uh, 15.38 for China. Is it right?
15.38. Let me see. 50, yeah, makes sense. Or not. I don't know. This is a little strange. I will do the calculates. Well, China. We have the minus count is 0.2 10 to the power of 9 divided by the old value. So we can put this again. 0.2 divided by 1.1. I don't know. I don't know how much is, but I will do the
No, it's
count.
1.3, not 0.2.
No, you need to do the minus count first. So we need to do this minus this.
Ah,
And after you do the division. Okay?
okay.
You need do the time is on 100 too.
Mm-hmm. Eu acabei.
Okay, how much?
China 18.2%, India 44.7%, United States 25%, and Bulgaria 19.1%.
25%. Yeah, makes sense. These changes are big. Okay, easy. If you know the equation is easy. The equation is only the what's the name? What's the name? Change, exatamente. Change é sempre it's ever the new value minus the old value divided by old value. It's similar to the error equation.
Mm-hmm.
You remember? Okay.
Yes.
Let me see the last. State either or not you agree that it's always the case that the country with the bigger percentage change also has a bigger population increase between these years. Justify your answer. So, what do you think? What's the country had the bigger population increase?
India.
India. India increased 0.2 billion. No, China increases 0.2 billion. India increase a lot. India. Yeah. India have the bigger population increase. It's true.
Mm-hmm.
And India have had the bigger percentage change too?
Yes.
Yes, so makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Make it totally sense. Okay. Let me see the last you send me here. Okay. Determine either or not the triangles with the following sides are right triangle angle triangles. Trava a língua. Right triangle, right triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. A, 9, 40, 41. How can you discover this?
I don't know.
You need to use the Pythagoras theorem.
Ah, okay.
So you just need to see which number is the hypotenuse. For example, in A, which is the hypotenuse? If it
41.
has hypotenuse.
41?
41, okay, 41. But yeah, it's this. So if this option has a hypotenuse, will be 41. 41. So you need to use the Pythagoras theorem, and you can see if this equation is the same in the left side and the right side, okay?
Okay.
For example, I don't know how much is this, but I know this is H1 and this is 1,600. Oh my God, what's this? It's squared. Okay, so you can do this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if your count say B, if your account be 1,681,
Mm-hmm.
this be this, these numbers form a right triangle, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So how much is this?
1,681.
1,681 too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a right triangle. Okay, right triangle.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do the same for these numbers?
Yes.
Okay, just the Pythagoras theorem.
Mm-hmm.
For me, which these numbers is the hypotenuse?
In B?
In B, yeah,
26.
perfect. So do the count for me, please.
It is also a right angle.
Oh my God, you are so fast. Okay. C and D, please.
C is also a right angle.
Oh, cool. Makes sense. Did you have some problem with the square root or not?
No.
Oh, okay. To the last one, please.
Mhm. It is not a right angle. The last.
Not a right angle. If you see this, but I will do, okay?
Mhm.
Ooh, but this number is so ugly. Okay. 11.2 square equals 7.5 square plus 8.3 square. So I need to use my calculator because I am not a computer yet. Let me see. 11.2 times 11.2. 1, 5, 4, 4. Okay, the next one. 56 to 5, 8, 3, 68, 89. Okay, if you sum this, yeah, it's a little different. Okay, you are right. This triangle is not right.
Mhm.
Okay. Let me see the question you send me now. A clock is a circular in shape with diameter 25 centimeters. Find the length of the R between the markings 2 and 5, rounded to the nearest tenth of centimeter. Do you know what you need to do?
No.
Okay, we can start with a draw. This is a clock. And this is the 12 and 5 is here, okay?
Mhm.
You know, in a clock we have 12 numbers, right?
Uh-huh.
These numbers are separate in the same angle, right?
Mhm.
Just a second. I will draw the another numbers. 3 here, 4, okay, and 6 here. But I need only the 12 and the 5. But why I am draw this? Because I can show to you this angle. This angle is 180 degree. Okay,
Mhm.
you agree with me? Do you agree with
Yeah.
me?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you have 180 degree, but all of the degrees are divided by 6. Okay, we have here, here. Is this the same angle? The same angle for everyone. Okay. So how much angle for everyone? Só um segundo. Sorry, my woman was blaming. Okay. So how much angle we have here, Georgia? Oh, sorry. How much angle you have here?
6 angles.
No, okay, but here, in this place, we have an angle here. This angle is, you need divided by 6, right?
30.
30. Yeah, 30. So you have 30 here, 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 here. But we need only this 30 plus 5. Okay?
Okay.
So we have 1,150. Okay. Why I am doing it? Because we need this angle to know the length of the arc. The length of the arc is the green thing I do here. Okay. Another thing we need is the radius. What is the radius of this clock?
The radius.
Yeah, the radius. You know the diameter. You can find the radius with the diameter. Do you remember?
I divide the diameter by 2.
Exactly.
And the
So-
diameter is 180.
The diameter is 55.
25. Okay.
Yeah. So the radius is 12.5. Okay. So we can remember another thing. We know the perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. But what is the 2 pi? Is the angle you need to do a entire lap, entire volta. Você me falou na outra aula, eu já me esqueci.
Não, lap mesmo.
Entire lap, okay. So we don't want an entire lap, only this degree, this lap, this turn, okay? So I need change this for this, but how? Because this is degree. And this is Haj. Okay? What do you need to do? I teach you this in the last class. Did you remember? You need to do this. Haj. You need to do a cross multiplication, okay?
Okay.
You know Haj is 180, but you want 150. Okay? So you put x here and do the cross multiplication. And you find the value of x. But your value will have a pi.
Okay. So okay.
Do you understand? Cut. 5, 6, pi. Okay?
Okay.
I think is it. Is it, of course. So this is the angle you can put in this place. For a sector, the equation is the angle in rad plus the radius. Our angle is in rad this plus our radius. Our radius is 12.5. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can do this multiplication for me, okay?
Okay. Uh, 32.59.
You changed pi to 3.14?
No, I
You
just
just, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Um, I am take the last one because I need to finish our class a little soon. But this is a real hard question. A door with a width 4.20 meters has an area showing the diagram. Find as an arc. Arc, okay. The radius of the arc to the nearest centimeter. The length of the arc to the the length, the radius of the arc, the length of the arc. We find the two things here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here the angle, here the length. So this is the radius of the arc. The radius of the arc. The radius. Oh, radius is another thing. Sorry, I talk bullshit for you. Radius is this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Angle is another thing. Angle was this. But they don't want the angle. They want the radius. So how we can find the radius? Do you have any idea?
No, I don't.
Don't have?
No.
I think we can use this for something.
Uh-huh.
But I don't
Yes.
know if you can use, for example, the sine or cosine rules. I don't know. Because, for example, this is not the diameter. This is not the diameter, I think. It's not the diameter. This is another thing. Um, what can I do here? My God. A triangle, I suppose. I don't know. They don't. I know do this problem, but I don't know if you can use sine, cosine, tangent. You can use?
I think so.
Okay. So we can do some triangle here. For example, we can do this and this. Okay. And you know this is a right triangle. And you have the angle here. For example, we have the angle here. Because here is equal here.
Mm-hmm.
You agree with me? Okay. This entire thing is 360 degree. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if this entire is 360 degree and these guys are equal, we know, for example, theta. 2 theta plus this angle is equal this number, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can you find the theta for me?
Okay. As 67.5.
67.5, okay. Oh my God, we don't have more paper. 67.5. So 67.5 here. And we know how much this mede, sei lá a palavra mede para isso,
Measures.
measures this. Because we have 4.20, okay? So here is the half. Do you agree with me?
Mm-hmm.
So half is this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you have the angle, you have the cateto. What we can do? Do you remember the trigonometry functions? Sine, cosine, and tangent?
Sim, yes.
We saw this in the last class.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so if you pay attention, 2.10 is the opposite side of the
Mhm.
angle. The opposite side you want the hypotenuse. So you
Mhm.
need to remember what function use these things is sine, not the
Yes.
cosine, sine. So can you find the hypotenuse to me, please?
Uh-huh.
Oh, perfect.
Do I put X or the number on top in the fraction?
In the top of fraction, you need to put the number.
Tá.
Because sine, the equation of sine is sine equals opposite side divided by hypotenuse, okay? Sine of the angle, you know the angle.
É 2.28.
2.28 makes sense. The hypotenuse need be the bigger value. So you find the radius. Now you need to find the length. Find the length, you remember the equation we already used today. Angle in rad times the radius, okay? What is the angle? First, what you need find this, okay?
Uhum.
So the angle is 2 times this, okay?
Uhum.
But you need to do it em rádio. So, Georgia, I need to finish our class now, but you can do it for me and send me a photo, okay?
Okay.
I will send you everything we do today. This will help you. Of course, you consegue do this.
Okay.
Ok? Muito legal a aula, muito obrigado de novo por toda a sua paciência, incrível, você parece uma madre, um negócio assim super paciente, parabéns. Tchau, tchau, valeu.
Obrigada.